Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. I'm sure that you are absolutely loving the color of my shirt by now because this, I think, is the third video that I've done today. So we're still working on the 2023 Ford Bronco, and we are putting in an Autostop Eliminator. So we all know how much we love our engines to die while at a stoplight, and if you were a product of the 80s or 90s, you also knew how scary it was to have to get out and push, right? And so every single time that happens, you can't help but have anxiety. So we're just gonna get rid of it and not worry about it at all. So let's go ahead and we're gonna get started. All right, to access where we need to get to, we need to pull off this grab handle. We're gonna drop the glove box here. There's a bolt here, there's a bolt on the other side. We gotta pop off this bottom panel and this whole piece should come out. We should have the plug that this will just piggyback into, and it'll do that whole auto stop elimination that we're looking for. All right, no power tools because they're too far away, but it's just two T30 Torx bit screws that are in here. Pull those out. All right, we are going to come in here with our little pry bars. There we go. 7mm for this one. We have one more on the other side by the glove box. All right, now with a little bit of love and care, just popping these guys off. And then we got some clips right up here in the middle, and there we go. All right, now that we got this popped down, we're just gonna follow this little auto stop button here. We're gonna unplug this from the back, and there it is. And that is where we are going to plug into, right? And it just plugs right back in where we unplugged it. Just gotta make sure you're going in the right direction. There it is. We can let this flop around, make all the noise, or let's zip tie it up out of the way. There we go, zip tied up out of the way. All right, then put one more zip tie on here, keep everything from flopping and knocking, and we're good. We're gonna snap all this back together. And time. Didn't take too long. If you found that useful, make sure that you hit the like button, and if you're new to the channel and you have not done so yet, make sure you subscribe. All right, everybody, coming back to you from the Skycam. This is Road and Reel, and I'll catch you on the next one.